Hello everyone, welcome back to Sowkya Med Vision. Today we are going to see white blood cells. In the previous lecture we have completed complete topic about RBC, erythropoiesis, hemoglobin and its metabolism. Today in this lecture we are going to complete white blood cell. Yes, the white blood cells are also known as leukocytes. Yes, the WBC are also known as leukocytes. Why? Leuko means white. Yes, leuko means white. Cyte means cell. So it is known as white blood cell. Yes. So the classification of white blood cells. The white blood cells are classified as granulocytes and agranulocytes based on the presence or absence of granules. Yes, granules are present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Based on their presence or absence, the WBC cells are divided into granulocytes and the agranulocytes. So here the granulocytes are neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. These three are the granulocytes. Yes, whereas agranulocytes are monocytes and lymphocytes. They don't contain granules in their cytoplasm, whereas granulocytes contain granules in their cytoplasm. These three cells containing granules, hence they are known as granulocytes. Yes, now let's see different morphology of these WBC cells. See, one WBC like neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, monocyte, lymphocyte, they are different from each other. Obviously, they are divided as granulocytes and agranulocytes. There are some features which makes them different from each other. Yes, let's see. Neutrophil. We are going to start with neutrophil. Neutro means what? Either it is not acidic, either it is not a basic. So it is present in between, right? Hence it is known as neutro. Yes, so the cell which stains both acidic and basic is known as neutrophil. Yes, so here the neutrophil takes both acidic stain and also basic stain by a staining known as Leishman's stain. Which stain we use in the neutrophil? It is a Leishman stain. And the nucleus of the neutrophil is multi-lobed. Yes, multi-lobed nucleus in the neutrophil. See, neutrophil, it takes acidic as well as basic stain. Hence it is known as neutrophil. And it is multi-lobed nucleus. Yes, the diameter of the neutrophil is 10 to 12 microns. Yes, let's see the structure of nucleus. Neutrophil. See, this is the neutrophil and this blue color shaded part is the neutrophil. If you see, these are the lobes. 1, 2, 3. As we discussed, it is a multi-lobed nucleus. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now, eosinophil. The word eosin means red in color. Yes, as we said, leuko means white. Same as eosin means red in color. Yes, the eosin containing larger granules. As we said, the granulocytes are 3. Neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. So, eosinophils containing larger granules. Yes, it stains pink with eosin. It is a stain. Yes, it stains pink with eosin. The nucleus of the eosinophil is bilobed. Yes, the nucleus of the eosinophil is bilobed, containing 2 lobes. Yes, let's see. This is the cells. This is the cell, eosinophil, and these orange color dots are granules. Yes, these are the granules, and this blue color part is the nucleus. Yes, so it is a bilobed, 1 lobe, and this is a 2 lobe. Bilobed nucleus. Let's see basophil. The basophil is also granulocyte. Yes, so the granules that are present in the cytoplasm of the cell stains purple blue color. Yes, the granules in the basophil cytoplasm stains purple blue color. It is a basic. Yes, it's a basic dye. It is a basic, so it stains with methylene blue. Yes, The nucleus of the basophil is also bilobed nucleus. Yes, the nucleus of the eosinophil and also basophil are bilobed nucleus. Yes, see, this is the basophil. This is the cytoplasm containing granulocytes, and this is a large nucleus, bilobed. Yes, and monocyte. Monocyte and the lymphocytes, these two are agranulocytes. They do not contain granules in their cytoplasm. Yes, see, largest leukocyte is what? A monocyte. Monocyte is the largest leukocyte in all WBC, granulocytes including all. Yes, it is very clear, no color. Yes, the nucleus is round and oval. Yes, now it is a horseshoe shape. Yes, the nucleus is horseshoe shape, and nucleus is clear. It is not either in the center, it is not either in the, it is not it is present in the center, or it may be pushed to one side. Yes, see, this is the nucleus of the monocyte. It is horseshoe shaped. Can you see? I think you can see. Yes, this is the horseshoe shaped nucleus. It is presented now. It is presented here in this picture. It is presented centrally. It can also be presented at one side. Yes, complete cytoplasm is pushed to one side and the nucleus is pushed to one side. And now lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is also a granulocyte itself. It is also a granulocyte. The nucleus is oval or bean shaped or kidney shaped. There are two types of lymphocytes, B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte. Yes, the main functions of the lymphocyte is involvement in the immunity. Yes, so the B lymphocyte is involved in cellular immunity, whereas T lymphocyte is involved in humoral immunity. Yes, so there are two types of immunity, cellular and humoral. So the B lymphocytes is involved in the cellular immunity, whereas T lymphocytes in the humoral immunity. The percentage, their composition in the blood, there are about, let's take with an example. Let's see, there are 100 WBC cells. Yes, the number of, let's see, this is the, just you imagine that we have 100 WBC cell in which 50 to 60 cells are neutrophils. Yes, and 2 to 4 are eosinophils. 0 to 1 are basophils. 2 to 6 are monocytes. And remaining 20 to 30, rest of remaining 20 to 30 are lymphocytes. Yes, major component is by what? Neutrophils. Yes, there are more neutrophils of WBC in the blood. Yes, now let's see the process of synthesis of WBC, leukocytes. Yes, here we go. The process or the method of maturation, development of the WBC is known as leucopoiesis. Leuco means what? White. Yes, and the poiesis means it is a process. Yes, it is a process of development, maturation. Yes, and now from where these WBC cells are produced? From which cell? There should be some from some progenitor cell, right? So that cell is a committed pluripotent cell. Yes, that is the committed pluripotent cell. There are two series of leukocytes. One is myeloid series and another is lymphoid series. From myeloid series, granulocytes and monocyte. What are the granulocytes? Neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils and monocyte from myeloid series. Whereas from lymphoid series, lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is the agranulocyte. Yes. Now let's see the process of leucopoiesis. From committed pluripotent hemopoietic stem cells. Yes, these are the progenitor cells. From these two, colony forming blastocyte and lymphoid stem cells comes. Yes, from committed pluripotent hematopoietic stem cells. Now, the colony forming blastocyst is going to form into colony forming unit of erythrocyte for granulocyte and megakaryocyte. Yes, for erythrocytes for RBC, granulocytes for WBC, whereas megakaryocytes for platelets. So here the colony forming unit granulocyte or monocyte going to give myeloblast. Yes, they are going to form into myeloblast. See here, these myeloblast is again into two, promyeloblast and monoblast. Yes, promyeloblast and the monoblast. So here the promyeloblast is of three again: neutrophil myelocyte, basophil myelocyte, eosinophil myelocyte. They are developed into these three: neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil myelocyte. Yes, myelocyte. So here the myelocyte is again developed into metamyelocyte. Yes, it is again divided into metamyelocyte. So here we go: neutrophil metamyelocyte, basophil metamyelocyte, eosinophil metamyelocyte. So here metamyelocyte is developed into neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil, and here the monoblast. Promyeloblast is going to give three granulocytes, whereas monoblast is going to give promonoblast and again developing into monocyte. Here in the beginning of classification, we have divided it into colony forming blastocyte and lymphoid stem cells. From these lymphoid stem cells, lymphoblast is developed. Yes, it is converted into lymphoblast, and here the lymphoblast is converted into matured into lymphocyte. Yes, first of all, the process is begun with committed pluripotent hematopoietic stem cells, where it is divided into colony forming blastocyte and lymphoid stem cells, whereas lymphoid stem cells undergo maturation and forming lymphocyte. Yes, whereas the colony forming unit granulocytes divided into myeloblast and the monoblast. Monoblast is going to give monocyte, whereas the promyeloblast on maturation it gives neutrophil, basophil and eosinophil. Yes, this is the complete discussion of leukopoiesis and the leukocytes. In the next lecture, we will discuss the functions of leukocyte. Yes, different functions of the leukocyte differently, like independently, functions of neutrophil, functions of eosinophil. There are some characteristic functions of each leukocyte. Let's discuss in the next class. Please do subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please do like. And if you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.